Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can update your Instagram app. Now for that, open your Play Store or App Store on your phone. Now search for Instagram. Now tap on Instagram. Now tap on update button. As soon as you tap on it, app will start to download and update. Now here your app has been already updated and installation has been started. Here you can see your app has been already updated and installed. If you want your apps to be automatically updated, then tap on profile icon. Now from the menu tap on settings and now tap on network preferences. Then tap on auto updates. Now choose the option over Wi-Fi only and then tap on done. By doing this, you don't have to manually update any app on your phone. I hope this video helped you to update your Instagram app. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.